Hello friends. In this video, I will show you a way that will allow you to easily, quickly, and most importantly, safely learn how to stake the HYPE token from Hyperliquid and earn passive income on HyperEVM. Well then, let's not waste any time and get straight to the point. You can use this method on any device. I'll show you how to do it on a mobile phone. Open any web browser and enter the link. Go to this website called hyperstake.org. Once you enter the site, you immediately see the current APY here. Right now it's over 60% per year, which is pretty substantial. The idea here is very simple. You deposit the HYPE token and receive the ST HYPE token. This is a liquid token that increases in value while your coins are being staked. And at the same time, ST HYPE can be used in DeFi. For example, you can put it into pools, use it as collateral, or just keep it in your wallet. Click the Start Staking button and connect your wallet where your HYPE tokens are stored. I use MetaMask, so I select it. Open MetaMask and now confirm the connection. Next, confirm the authorization of your wallet. Several windows will pop up. Here, just click Confirm. And now we're inside the personal account. As you can see, the amount of HYPE tokens from my wallet has immediately appeared in my portfolio. And now we're going to stake this amount. Here in the protocol, you can immediately see the exchange rate. Right now, one Saint HYPE is worth a bit more than one HYPE, and this rate will only continue to grow over time. To stake our HYPE tokens, go to the bottom panel in the stake section and enter the amount here. I have 1000 HYPE available, and now I'm going to stake it here. As we can see, for staking 1000 HYPE tokens, we will receive 955 point something Saint HYPE tokens. Click on Stake HYPE. The staking process is now underway. Great, we have a transaction in the history, and now, literally within a few seconds, our tokens should arrive. That's it friends, the ST HYPE tokens are now in my wallet balance. As you can see, there are exactly 955.1098 here, just as we were supposed to receive. As you can see, the amount shown is a bit less, but that's not a problem, because when we withdraw, we'll get back the exact amount in our HYPE tokens. Now I'll wait a few days and we'll see the result. Well, friends, about 2 weeks have passed, so let's go back now and take a look at the result we've got. As you can see in rewards earned, we already have 66.18 HYPE tokens. Let me show you now how to withdraw from staking. Here it's instant and without any locks. Click the Unstake button, then click Max here to withdraw all ST HYPE tokens. And as you can see, we will receive 1066.1808 HYPE tokens, which is 66 more HYPE that we earned. Click Unstake HYPE. The transaction appeared in the history, and now we just wait for our HYPE tokens to be credited. That's it, I received a notification that the HYPE tokens have been credited to my wallet. Let's refresh it. And yes, as you can see, the entire amount is now in our balance. As you can see, we started with 1000 tokens and ended up with 1066. So that's the service I demonstrated for you today. And now I'm going to put all my tokens back in so they can keep working and staking. Thank you all for watching, friends. I hope this video was informative for you. And I'll see you in new videos. Bye.